In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check order status and update orders 2026 step by step. First, head to the official Zara United States website in your browser. Sign into your account using your usual credentials. If you're already signed in, great. Look for your account or profile icon. From there, open the Orders or My Orders section. This is where every recent purchase is listed, usually with the most recent at the top, so it's easy to find what you're looking for. If you have multiple accounts, confirm you're signed into the one you used at checkout so the order appears. Locate the order you want to check. You can scan by date, item, or order number, then open it by selecting View Details or Track Order. On some pages, these labels may vary slightly, but they take you to the same place. That takes you to the orders timeline where you can see the current status, things like processing, preparing, shipped, out for delivery, or delivered. Take a moment to review the shipping and delivery information on this page as well. You'll typically see the shipping address, the delivery method, and if it's on the way, a tracking link or number from the carrier. If you notice something that needs to be corrected, choose Update Order. Depending on the order stage, you can edit the shipping address or your contact details. Carefully make any changes you need, paying close attention to apartment or suite numbers, zip codes, and phone formatting. Some orders can't be edited once they've moved past certain stages, so if the update order option isn't available, it usually means the package is already being prepared or shipped. After you've made your edits, save the updated information. Look for a clear confirmation on the page. This might be a success message, a green check, or the field showing your new details. To be absolutely sure everything went through, refresh the page. When it reloads, double check that the shipping address and contact information display exactly as intended and that the order status remains accurate. Once you've verified the updates, you're all set. If you were just checking status, you now know where to come back for real-time progress and delivery estimates. When you're done, log out of your account securely using the account menu. This is especially important on shared or public devices to keep your order and personal details protected. Closing the browser tab after logging out adds an extra layer of safety. And that's it. You've checked your order status, reviewed delivery details, updated your information when needed, confirmed the changes, verified them with a refresh, and signed out safely.